it like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can.
Hi, and thanks for joining us. At Shazemi, you can create the best recruitment HR or career website unique to your business and brand. You can easily edit with drag and drop no-code technology. Update your website 24/7, fully supported by industry experts and the experience and success team. Best of all, your business can continue to evolve with more than 100 widgets and unparalleled integrations with over 30 global partners. Hi, my name is Emma, and in this short tutorial, we will show you how site themes can simplify your website design process by easily styling and editing your website's buttons. As website enthusiasts, we understand the importance of a visually appealing website with a great user experience. With site themes, this process becomes even more effortless. We will show you how to style and edit your site's theme buttons effortlessly. This powerful feature allows you to maintain a consistent design across your entire website, saving you time and effort. A consistent button style creates a cohesive user experience. Here you can see step-by-step how to access the site theme settings on your website platform and where you can find the button customization options within the site theme settings. You can see the process of styling both primary and secondary buttons using the site theme options. We have various customization possibilities, such as changing the button's color, size, shape, and typography. You can see how simply you can align the primary button style with your brand identity and guide, then customize secondary buttons to complement the primary. Let's be honest, customizing your website buttons can be a tedious task and can take up a lot of time. However, with site themes, this time-consuming task can be done within minutes. By using site themes, you're ensuring consistency in your website design and can maintain your brand's identity with ease. Lastly, here you can see how to test and preview your button style changes before finalizing them. We encourage you to test and preview them before publishing them live, as it gives you an insight into how the button styles will look on the live website. In conclusion, site themes are powerful tools for visually appealing and consistent website designs. At Shazemi, our motto is create, edit, update, and evolve. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see your website buttons looking amazing with site themes. And don't forget to follow us on all the socials so you don't miss any future updates.
We do it like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.